Hello everyone, my name is Jaswant and I welcome all of you to the video resume tutorial 3. In video resume tutorial 2, we learned how to make a video resume, and today we shall discuss the content of your presentation in the video resume. Before we proceed further, let's realize a very important aspect, that a standard video resume duration is between 60 to 90 seconds. Hence, the content of your presentation needs to be precise and to the point to make a first impression. There is no such typical framework for preparing a content of a video resume. However, we can always add points which can create an impact. Let's quickly have a look at the content of your video resume. First of all, introduction. Introduce yourself very clearly with high energy. A good start always counts. Therefore, start with a polite greeting, followed by your name, location, latest education, and institute. But only introduction won't suffice. So what to say next? You can talk about your passion enthusiastically, as it will draw immediate attention of the recruiter. For example, I find my passion in adopting and learning new technology like artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. To strengthen your progress, you can mention your noticeable accomplishment, whether it's academic, cultural, sports, extracurricular, or holding a responsible portfolio. Then you can talk about your personality. Give a clear message of your image to the recruiter. What type of person are you? For example, my approach to look at things is always positive. I love to stay simple and humble. How can we forget hobbies? Mention hobbies which are productive for you, like photography, caricature, playing musical instruments, learning foreign languages, and please avoid commonly spoken hobbies like playing cricket, playing video games, listening to music, and watching TV. Now the selling point of your presentation, which is your USP, that is strengths and skills. Under this section, you must cite your abilities or strengths and skill set, including technical skills, to show that you are the right candidate for the job. Finally, closing. So thank you with a smile while ending. I hope this video tutorial is a clear guide to you for making your video resume. If you have any question, please use the comment box below. Stay alert and stay subscribed to my channel for my next video on mistakes to avoid while making a video resume. Thank you.